How do I find the branch code of my bank?
Hello there. Today, we're going to navigate through the seemingly complex world of bank codes. Specifically, we'll look at how to find your bank's branch code. This might seem like a daunting task, but it's really quite simple once you know where to look. Your branch code is an essential piece of information for various banking operations, so let's dive right in.
What is a branch code?
Before we start, it's important to understand what a branch code is. A branch code is a unique identifying code for a particular branch of a bank. This code is used to indicate where your account is held. It's commonly needed for tasks such as setting up direct deposits or transfers, ordering checks, and similar banking activities.
Locating your branch code on your checkbook.
One of the easiest ways to find your branch code is by looking at your checkbook. 1. Take a check and look at the numbers printed at the bottom. 2. Typically, you'll see 3 sets of numbers. The first set is the routing number, the second is your account number, and the third is the check number. 3. The routing number often includes the branch code. It's worth noting that the format may vary depending on your bank and the country. If you're unsure, contact your bank or visit their website for specific guidance.
Finding your branch code online.
Most banks now provide online banking services, and this is another place where you can often find your branch code. 1. Log in to your online banking account with your username and password. 2. Navigate to the account information, details, or similar section. Here, you should be able to find details about your account including your branch code. Remember, the layout of each bank's online platform will be different, so you may have to look around a bit.
Contacting your bank directly.
If you can't find your branch code or if you're unsure about it, you can always contact your bank directly. 1. You can call your bank's customer service line, and they should be able to provide you with the branch code. 2. Alternatively, you can visit your local bank branch in person and ask a representative. And there you have it. Now you know what a branch code is and how to find it. Remember, it's either on your checkbook, in your online banking details, or just a quick call or visit to your bank away. We hope this video has demystified the process for you. Happy banking!